your home, young man?
No.
God bless.
Glad it ain't mine.
Are you in the neighborhood?
No, just passing through. How about you? Obviously you're with restoration.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we do. I mean, from from the slab to the roof, it just depends.
Yeah.
What kind of damage has been incurred.
Where are you guys from?
I've got several offices. Our humble Texas office. I've been in Houston.
Wow. I'm just here taking photos.
Wow. For insurance?
No, I've been an enthusiast for many years, documented 50 tornadoes or more.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. This is pretty much the worst I've seen.
Really?
A lot of F2s and F3s, but this was an F4 that was on the ground for 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Is this the start of it? Or is this the
No, this is not the start of it. The start of it's west, miles from here.
Peoria?
Yeah.
Peoria.
That's when they first started talking about it.
Yeah.
I know.